Yeah, check it. What do we got?
All right, Jamie Roberts on YouTube asks, how soon can I file to adjust my status after getting married? And my sponsor has only his 2-year conditional permanent residence. Is this a problem?
Yes, so you have to be in legal status or an arriving alien to be able to adjust your status as to marriage to a lawful resident. Otherwise, you have to wait until your spouse becomes a citizen if you're an overstay.
Chino Gao on Facebook. Hey, Uncle Brad, my immigrant visa fee payment has been received. It's been 6 months now, and I haven't received my green card as of yet. What should I do?
Hang out and wait. Nobody's receiving their green card. Oh, the immigrant visa fee, or they haven't been scheduled an interview?
She said my immigrant visa fee payment has been received. They said that they received it. Yeah, and he just hasn't gotten his green card as of yet.
Oh, so he already entered the United States with his immigrant visa. He paid for it. Call the 1-800 number and see what happened. It's very possible they mailed out the green card and it got returned to USCIS.
Okay, Yemisi Davis on YouTube asks, any pointers for someone with a pending asylum case who now wants to file an adjustment via marriage to a U.S. citizen?
Yes. File an adjustment, withdraw your asylum, live together with your spouse, have a financial relationship to prove a bona fide marriage.
Nathan Conrad on YouTube. When should we contact USCIS about immaterial errors in a I-130, I-485 form? Should we wait until after we get the EAD approval until the interview?
Wait for the interview. Or unless they give you what's called an RFE and they see these errors and then they ask for an explanation. But you just don't randomly file or write or call.
Okay, Maricela on YouTube asks, I'm petitioning for my husband. His case was accepted and we're going to submit the I-485. If the I-944 is not on the USCIS website, should we wait or send the I-485 without the I-944?
Well, send it without it if you can't get it. I'm sure they'll RFE you.
Okie doke. AP2DKH on YouTube. What is the fate of children under CSPA whose cases have been completed and documentarily qualified after proclamation?
That was a lot of letters. The person's name is Okie Doke. ABCD what?
Exactly. EFGHIJK on YouTube.
And then he also wants to know about the CSPA.
Yeah.
All
abbreviations. He speaks in code.
You want to know about R2D2 and C3PO?
May as well.
You might as well. All right. So he wants to know about the Child Status Protection Act. Children who are under the Child Status Protection Act are protected, but if they're going to age out, that's one of the exceptions for processing for green cards under Trump's proclamation. I believe that's his question. There's a lot of letters in there.
All right, Al-Hagi Job on YouTube asks, after hiring you, how long does it take to file a mandamus suit?
Within weeks, hopefully.
Erica Brown on YouTube. Do you believe the K-1 visa is on a silent ban for the remainder of 2020? My approved application is stuck at NBC waiting for Jamaica. Do you think it's best to get married and apply for a sponsoral visa?
No, do the K-1 because the immigrant, if it's already approved, I don't think they're on a ban K-1s. I think the NVC is slow in everything at this point. So I would continue processing the K-1 and see what happens.
Okay, Lorna Kerr on Facebook asks, my friend appealed his case because they said he only presented RFE. They sent him a letter in July 2020 saying to wait 30 to 45 days for an answer. Now the time has passed and still no answer. His lawyer seems to have no clue. What should he do?
There's no appeal. I assume it's well, there could be an appeal if it's an I-130, but if it's an adjustment, it's a motion to reopen. I'm not in favor of appeals or motions to reopen unless you're trying to save a priority date or trying to keep a child from aging out. Otherwise, I would withdraw that appeal, a motion to reopen, and refile again. It'll be faster. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.